Well, hey there. Welcome back to another. Oh, hey, the sun got me really good. Welcome back to an afternoon at Locust Farm and Fab Shop. We have had so much rain, and of course, you know, I cleaned out my gutters. This area back here has been flooding. You can see the tall grass. I ain't been able to cut grass because it just keeps raining. But this area back here has been flooding, and the water somehow, some way is getting around the back and getting into the shop, and it's flooding. We're going to take a quick look at what I got to do. Well, this is just really soft back here. All these tires doesn't help. And that back there doesn't work. I think what it's doing is it's coming in right here. This water is where the water is pooling up and going up underneath there. We're going to have to do something about this. I think I'm going to have to put a sump pump in or something. Yeah, you can see where the water has pooled up over there and over there. And when I went out into the shop the other day, I was totally surprised at how much it was flooded. So we're going to check it and see if it's come down any. Get my keys out. Well, that would be the wrong key. So how y'all been doing today? Let's see. Oh, no, we still got water. Yep. Still got the water in here. All that on the ground over there. So I think it's coming in from right behind me, which would be right by that air compressor. And I believe it's coming in under this metal wall here. Or over here. Yep, I think it's more over here. Pardon the mess. We've got a lot going on in the shop lately. This has been fun, just fun, I tell you. I got all the parts in for it, but we've got we're going to be going out of town again this weekend, and which you'll be able to see. We're gonna be posting that on the Misadventures with Day Day. Look up here for that link, you'll see it up there. Misadventures with Day Day. I still have to work on getting all that stuff posted, but as it stands right now, yeah, we gotta go check around back too. I wanted to get that going. My weed killing has gotten out of control here. Got rid of one vehicle. We're down to no vehicles left out here, but all that has got to be mowed. All the baby goats are out here. I wanted to check this back here and see if there's flooded back here too. Alright guys, well, just a little update. Wanted to give y'all a heads up. Appreciate it. Y'all remember, comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Come on with it before you forget it. And before I forget to feed these goats, I will holler at y'all later. See ya.
Moments later.
Alright, well, I got that taken care of. I thought about it while I was sitting here. Y'all can see my grass cutting. I just want to give you all a project list of what all we got project wise to do. This is the Kawasaki Mule side by side. Everything should be ready to go. We got the shifter fixed, got to put it back together, but the battery was gone, so I got to replace the battery. I got that. Over there is a Bombardier four-wheeler. Needs a lot of work. Not sure exactly what it is. This is my ski boat. For some reason I didn't winterize it and it cracked a block or blew a head gasket or something, but it's chocolated the motor. So yeah, way to go me. Then over here is the jet ski, that's been a long project over there. I've got it all covered up, but not so much really. If you can, I'll zoom in. But that's the jet ski project. We got an old boat trailer out back there that we're gonna make into a jet ski hauler. Then there's the bed for the 62 C10. So that's got to get put on at some point in time. Then we got the RAV4, the Polaris Razor, and the 62 C10. Also, along with all of that, we've got a 3.5 inch lift kit to put on the 14 Jeep JK. Ain't no telling what else all we got to do. Well, we got lift and spacers, and then we got to replace a rocker arm. So if we got to replace one, we're going to replace them all. So we're going to replace the rocker arms on that. I just got to find the time, guys. So we'll be back. Appreciate it. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Come on with before you forget it. Had to wave my neighbor across the street. And we will holler at y'all later. See ya.